Good day to you. How are you now?
I'm doing great, Mom.
Okay, so please greet your employer and tell something about yourself.
Hi, Mom and Sir, and to your family. Good morning. I'm Rowena Faliz Grace Eldomon, 24 years old, with 5'1" in height. I'm a high school graduate. I did not continue studying because of financial problem. Regarding about my past job here in the Philippines, I was a domestic helper for 6 years with two employers. I take good care of a 4 years old child and 2 and 5 years old child here in the Philippines.
Okay, so based on your experience, your first employer, you stayed there for how many years?
4 years, ma'am.
Okay, in your second employer?
I stayed there for almost 2 years, ma'am.
Okay, so since you took care of a little children, so how can you take good care of them?
I will prepare their foods and prepare for them to go to in school and cook with them with the foods.
Okay, so sometimes did you assist them or did you help them in their homeworks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so sometimes little children are naughty. So how can you handle that kind of situation?
I will lengthen my patient and try to read them stories with a good moral values, ma'am.
Okay, so as a person, what are your personal traits in order for some employers looking for helpers to hire you?
I'm a hardworking person, honest and patient person, ma'am.
Okay, so how about taking care of an elderly person or a newborn baby? Are you willing to look after them?
I'm very much willing, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family and for my future also, ma'am.
Okay, so most of the OFW abroad, especially of that of first-timers, the problem is that of homesickness. So for you, how can you handle that kind of problem?
For me, there's no problem if I will go there in Hong Kong because when I was a kid, I was far away with my family, so there's no problem for that.
Okay, very good. So, can you promise to your future employer that you will finish your 2 years contract with them?
Yes, ma'am, I promise to finish my contract.
Okay, so how about in terms of day off? So, if ever that you will, if ever that your employer will give you the schedule, are you willing to follow them?
Yes, ma'am, I'm obedient.
Okay, very good. So, before we end this interview, kindly give us your final message to your future employer.
Hi, ma'am, sir, good morning. If you're going to choose me as your helper, I promise to do my job there and I promise to finish my contract.
Okay, very good. So, I hope that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. So, before we end this interview, kindly show us your very best smile. Thank you very much.